Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, select any apps like Play Store, Google and Gallery. Then tap at the button with 3 lines and click at the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one, and finally third one. If you want to see all of them, just tap at the bubbles. Now I can use all of my apps at the same time. But if you wish to close any of these windows, all you need to do is click on this icon at the top right corner. But you can also click at the button with 3 lines again and close your apps in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!